In this video, I will show you how to create a set in Tableau. First, open your browser and go to the Tableau website. On the left side of your screen, in your menu list, hover your mouse and click on Explore. Then in here, click on the first card named Default. Once you are in the board, click on Continue Editing on the top row of options. You will then be redirected to your Executive Summary board. Now, on your main card, right-click on it to open a drop-down menu. Scroll down to the bottom part and click on Create Set. This will allow you to make a custom data group based on your selection. It also works on any other card within your dashboard. Simply right-click on any card and you will see the same option to create set appear in the drop-down menu. This makes it easier to organize and analyze specific data points in your Tableau project. And that's how to create a set in Tableau.